Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.